In teaching these true forgiveness methods for 25 years now, I have seen miraculous transformations that blew my hair back, not just the people who experienced those direct miracles. One of the most rewarding miracles that I have seen with many, many people is relationship healing. It's particularly beautiful when people haven't talked to their children, their parents, their siblings, their best friends, their loved ones in many, many years because there was something that happened and nobody could get over it. When people do this true forgiveness work, they are having a healing that translates to everyone in their life. Because you know what? From a spiritual perspective, we all share the same mind. So when someone receives a call, an email, an invitation from their adult child who hasn't contacted them in 10 years, refused to talk with them for 10 years, and now they're getting close again and they're sharing love and light again, that's beautiful. When people who were going to get divorced had already filed for divorce, were on their way to divorce, ready to sign the papers, and they changed their mind because one person in the relationship is doing this deep, true forgiveness work, I love to see that. When people can't stop arguing with each other, they even come to feel like they hate their spouse, then that's when true forgiveness works and it brings amazing miracles. Sometimes people get back together. Some people, they know now they can have peace being apart. There's all kinds of miracles that transform their lives, and it's going to be unique to you every time. I can't predict it, but I can definitely support you in bringing forth a miracle that will be known and felt by you through this true forgiveness work. It's amazing.